we are out on the balcony on the main deck, feeling the beautiful ocean breeze today. You can see right downstairs is your own private dock that belongs to the unit for up to a 30-foot boat and a 20,000-pound boat lift. You're just 1 block away from the Intracoastal and just a few minutes cruise to the Boynton Inlet and out to the deep ocean. Like to fish? Bring dinner on home. Let's go on inside and see what else the home has to offer. Welcome to this virtual open house tour of your Portofino townhome, located in the beautiful village of Waterside. Direct Intracoastal, I think you're gonna love it. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's about 2,700 square feet under air, 2-car garage, fantastic living, whether it's your full-time residence or your vacation home. Let me take you inside and show you around. Welcome to the main living level. This is fantastic space, very open. You've got light from both the west and the east, so you see bright all day long. It's about 1,000 square feet up here. This is your main living area, which of course has that beautiful view that you saw outside. We have a dining area, again, to entertain your friends with that beautiful view. Beautiful marble floors throughout this level. I'd like to take you in and show you the kitchen. So, on this side, it's wonderful for your entertaining. We have a great family room. You could certainly have a big screen TV on the wall, very intimate. Another beautiful feature of this home is this beautiful California Marin designer kitchen. Big island with the bar seating, beautiful white quartz countertops, the pearl backsplash. This is a new range, and of course, incredible storage. Very large pantry inside here for you, and I would like you to note the Sub-Zero refrigerator. Fantastic for having gatherings with your friends, watching sports, cooking them a gourmet meal. So let's take a tour of the main bedroom level, where we'll find the master bedroom as well as 2 additional bedrooms. And here we are in the master suite. Nice space, light and bright, wonderful sitting area to enhance your enjoyment of your suite, wonderful balcony made for 2 to enjoy your coffee as you're looking on the long canal view out to the Intracoastal and beyond. I'd like to bring you into the spa bathroom, but first I want to show you some wonderful features of this home. Huge walk-in closet with built-ins, large enough to add an island, something I love. And another great feature, ladies, if you're a collector of shoes and bags, here's the perfect closet for you. And here's your very comfortable spa bathroom for relaxing. What I love about this room is, again, that beautiful view down the canal to the Intracoastal. Soaking tub, another favorite of mine. And in here is your private reading room. Opposite the master bathroom, you have your second bathroom as well as 2 bedrooms. Upstairs laundry as well. I think this is a really nice second bedroom. As you can see, another balcony. An incredible feature of this home is there's outdoor space off almost every room in this home. This bedroom also has a walk-in closet with built-ins. And let's take a look at the third bedroom. As I mentioned upstairs when we were on the main level, this home really is made for entertaining. It's also fantastic when you have visiting guests. Downstairs, we have a full ensuite private bedroom. Let me take you inside. Nice and spacious, ensuite bathroom, again a walk-in closet with built-ins. And I'm not sure if I already mentioned this, throughout the home we have the 9-foot ceilings as well as the oversized 8-foot doors that give us such a modern feeling and a feeling of space. Back outside for the incredible Florida ocean breezes. What I love is this incredible large walkout that you have with this home. So unusual anymore with our newer construction. room to entertain, have a barbecue, and an amazing feature is just through this gate and a few steps down is your own boat ready to go. So whether you're enjoying the incredible intracoastal view, the sunsets, the moon rises, from your beautiful walkout or one of the many balconies in this gorgeous unit, this is your place for entertaining, relaxing at the end of the day. Come for the dream, stay for the lifestyle. Thank you for joining me. Cheers.